that tornado hit? Looks like it almost direct.
I was actually up. I watched it go through my front yard and tried to pick up my Jeep because I got my Jeep parked close to the house. When I got pissed off because I couldn't get my Jeep, that's when it took my roof.
I thought I was going to have a heart attack.
Did you hear the tornado?
No, I did not hear the tornado. I was in here by myself. The electric went out, and I just totally lost it. I'm so nervous. I can't even talk right now. It's praise the Lord.
But you made it.
Praise the Lord.
Yeah. It was the last one. Two last hurricane, this one, this hurricane.
Cut across the corner, took the roof off of that house. Hit these two houses here. I'm friendly with the lady who's here. She called me up and said the water is coming through the roof, so we came over, got her, brought her next door.
Did you hear it?
Yeah.
What time do you think that was?
I don't know, 9:30?
Yeah, about 9:30. It came on fast.
Yeah. I mean, I was watching TV and it said it was coming and it came.
Yeah. Jeez.